Hello, this is Mike Strange with Paradise Farms. It's August 7th, 2026. Hey, we haven't seen any rain in over a month with temperatures in the upper 90s to hundreds every day. But fortunately, the humidity is high, and so every morning we get a good dew. And we're keeping them moving into high grass. So they're getting some good nutrition. The pastures are looking a lot better than I anticipated with this much heat for this long. And the cows are doing great. We've had 31 calves so far this year, and we've had to put one down because it had water on the brain. But other than that, 100% success rate and no assists, so that was a wonderful thing. So as you can see, they're looking really good. Cows are happy in fresh grass. Just opened them up to a paddock. So this is what they're going into. Like I say, it hadn't rained in a month, and it's been over upper 90s and stuff, but it's nice and green because we get a decent dew every morning. You walk out here in the morning and your pants will be wet, so it does help if you leave your grass a little higher instead of letting them out there and grazing it to the ground. Now, where they have been is not faring so well, but where they're going is looking good, so that's a wonderful thing. Been real impressed with the calves this year. They're looking really, really good. Haven't had to deworm any of them. So we've been supplementing with a little apple cider vinegar in the water, some sea salt, some Redmond sea salt, and the Redmond's conditioner, and a little sodium bicarbonate as well, which brings their pH up. And so we haven't had major issues with flies. I mean, as you can see, there's a few flies, but nothing compared to what it used to be. We still have a few of them that are worse than others. Like you see this little steer right there, hardly any on him. So this lady's in heat right there. You got the bull chasing her. That's one of the bulls. We got 3 bulls out here. We have about 130 head. So everybody's looking really good. The moms are doing good. We had no issues with the moms rejecting calves. Didn't have to assist pulling calves. So a really good year. And I believe that has a lot to do with the nutrition, because we've been doing the apple cider vinegar and things of that nature, and the mineralization. So it really is a good deal. You see how slick they are. They're looking good. Great moms, great calves. And the pastures, being without rain, is pretty nice. Can't complain. This is the one that had the water on the brain, and she even passed that one with no assistance. So vet said keep her. It's not genetic, it was just some fluke. So we're gonna keep her, try again next year, and if anything happens next year, then we'll not give her another chance. But I think we're gonna give her one more chance. She looks really good, looks really healthy, and has a good disposition. So we'll try one more time with her. This is the calf crop. As you can see, they're looking really, really good. And this is one of the Not the last one, but the second to last one that had a calf. Just, there's the last one right there, 6031. Shiny, beautiful baby. Mom's doing good. That's Curly, the dominant bull, yelling in the background. So the calves are looking really shiny. Just beautiful. The best calf crop we've had ever. So they're all looking amazing. Now this 6012 here, I think I'm going to keep him as a bull. We'll see how he progresses, but he was born April 22nd and he looks really, really good. He's got tons of potential there. Notice these lines on her side there that are going sideways. Look, you took your hand and rubbed it across her like this. Those are called happy lines. She's doing really good. Nice and fat, happy and slick. So, very pleased with how things are going, especially with all this heat. And it's 5 o'clock or past 5 o'clock and still in the upper mid 90s anyway, 94. So, and they're all out grazing. So, she's beautiful. That's her calf. It's a bull. I like him too, but he's half Longhorn, half South Pole. Beautiful animal. Super slick. Almost no flies on him. So we'll see how he progresses. That's last year's calf right here. As you can see, everybody's doing really, really good. Conditions are really hot, and it'll be really awesome if we got some rain, but you got to deal with what you got. And we got a lot of forage ahead of them, and it's still all green because we're not cutting it to the ground or grazing it to the ground. Leaving residual, keep the ground covered. Holding that moisture. Anyway, this is Mike Strange, Paradise Farms, signing off. Y'all have a blessed day.